For the last few weeks, we've been getting you details about the all-out infighting in the Punjab Congress that's left the party rather embarrassed. And that's why the top party leadership, the central command, is scrambling to somehow broker a truce before the assembly polls next year between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. That's why Sidhu, who's been at loggerheads with the Chief Minister, has been summoned to Delhi today by the Gandhis.
As a batsman, Navjot Singh Sidhu often stepped out of his crease to blast the bowlers.
That's the biggest of them all. This is a huge hit. That would be six on any ground anywhere in the world.
His political innings has been no different. The former cricketer has taken on Captain Amrinder Singh like nobody else in the past has dared to. Embarrassed by its own leaders, the Congress top brass is scrambling to broker a truce in Punjab, which is going for polls next year. The Gandhis have finally summoned Sidhu to Delhi. The star Neta will meet Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi on Tuesday. Sources say the leadership is upset with Sidhu for his public outbursts against Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and has told him to restrain himself. The Gandhis' direct outreach to Sidhu came just a week after Rahul Gandhi snubbed Captain Amrinder Singh. The Congress MP did not give the Punjab Chief Minister an audience when he was in the national capital. This even as Rahul Gandhi met party leaders from Punjab to get their views on the political situation in the state. The Congress party has already formed a panel to resolve the crisis in party's Punjab unit. The panel has held many meetings with both Sidhu and Amrinder.
कमेटी ने अपनी रिपोर्ट कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट को दे दी है। जुलाई के प्रथम सप्ताह तक 8-10 तारीख तक जो है कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट का निर्णय आ जाए।
Sidhu has been at loggerheads with Amrinder Singh over a series of issues ranging from sacrilege of Guru Granth Sahib to police firing on protesters in 2016 to Captain's alleged proximity to the Akalis.
The incident is related to the stealing of the Guru Granth Sahib.
With just months to go for assembly elections, the Gandhis are keen to make the two reach a truce. How they do it remains a mystery. Bureau Report, India Today.
So how exactly is the Congress really going to be addressing this crisis in Punjab? Let's take this across to Anand Patel. He's joining us live from the national capital with the latest on this. Anand, good morning. The fact that last week Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh was in Delhi, but the Gandhis didn't meet him. Now, however, they're meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu. Is that something that we can really afford to read into?
Good morning, Akshita. Yes, there is a lot to be read into this meeting today, which is very crucial. Remember, this is the second visit of Navjot Singh Sidhu. This time he's meeting Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka both. The meeting starts at 11 a.m., we are told. Apart from Ms. Sidhu, a couple of MLAs are also meeting the Gandhis. This is the final stage of consultations which the Gandhis themselves are holding after the three-member panel held a series of meetings with all the MLAs of the parties, the MPs and other leaders from Punjab, including Captain Amrinder Singh twice. But on the previous meeting also, as we saw, Captain Amrinder Singh was not given an audience by the Gandhi family. Clear snub to him. And Sidhu meeting the Gandhis is a clear indication of which way the wind is blowing, what the Gandhis are thinking. Captain Amrinder Singh is definitely under pressure over not being able to deliver the pre-poll promises which he had made before coming into the power, be it the sacrilege issue, be it the mining mafia or the bus mafia. And these issues have been raised by Navjot Singh Sidhu time and again. And of late, we have been seeing his belligerent attack against Captain Amrinder Singh for allegedly being hand in glove with the Baduls. So clearly, we can see some action on the ground after the three-member panel met with Captain Amrinder Singh. He had presented a detailed report to the panel. It remains to be seen as to whether the Gandhis are satisfied with that or not. Sidhu, we are told, is eyeing the state unit chief post ahead of the assembly polls, which will make him the front runner for the CM post. But remains to be seen whether he is able to clinch that deal in today's meeting.
Interesting developments, and we have to